Want a cleaner Samsung home screen without deleting your favorite app? In this quick tutorial, I will show you an easy Samsung trick to hide app names while keeping everything fully functional. It's only take a few minutes, require no extra apps, and make your phone screen look cleaner and more professional instantly. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and back to your home screen. Here you can see your current app name is appear. But don't worry, you can follow this step and easily remove the app name. To do that, long press any empty area on your home screen. From the pop-up menu, look for the bottom right corner. Find the settings option, click to open it. After this page, scroll down a little. Look for the show app labels on home screen. Right now this option is turned on by default. Simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off. After it, turn off, return to your home screen and see the pop-up result. Your app name currently disappeared, and that's it. How you can easily hide app name on your Samsung home screen. Thanks for watching. Follow for more easy Samsung tips, Android tricks and helpful tech guide that makes your phone even better.